are Huntrix. Are you ready to count with us? Let's have fun and learn together.
Hello everyone! Today we're learning about the number 1. So that's right, 1 is the start of everything fun.
Let's count 2 stars. 1, 2. Great job! Count with me. 1, 2, 3.
This is number 4. Let's count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great counting! We are the Saja Boys! Number 5 is next. 5 comes after 4. You're doing a great job! This is number 6. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done! Now we have 7. 7 is a bigger number. You're learning so fast! This is number 8. Let's count carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent work! Here is number 9. 9 comes right before 10. You are almost there!
Amazing job! We counted all the way to 10! You're a count